Learn English with Allicia.
Emma, where is my passport?
Did you check your bag?
Yes, I looked, but it's not there.
Did you see it on the table?
No, it's not on the table.
Maybe it is in your jacket pocket.
I already checked my jacket.
Did you check your suitcase?
Not yet. I will check now.
Okay, check it carefully.
It is not in the suitcase.
When do you need it?
I need it today. I am flying to London.
Oh no, your flight is today?
Yes, I must go to London this evening.
Don't worry, we will find it.
I am very stressed.
Let's check your bedroom again.
Okay, let's go.
Look under the bed.
It is not there.
Check your desk.
Wait, I see something.
What is it?
It is my passport. It was under the books.
Oh, great.
I found it. I am so happy.
Good job.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
Now I can go to London.
Have a safe flight.
Thank you. I feel much better now.
Next time, keep it in a safe place.
Yes, I will. Emma, can you take me to the airport now?
Yes, of course. Let's go quickly.
Thank you. I am a little nervous.
Don't worry. You still have time.
My flight to London is very important.
I know. I will drive carefully.
Are you ready?
Yes, I have my passport and ticket.
Good. Let's get in the car.
Okay, I am coming.
We are on the road now.
How long will it take?
About 30 minutes.
I hope we don't get traffic.
Me too. But I will try the fastest way.
Emma, thank you for helping me today.
You're welcome. Friends help each other.
I was really stressed before.
Now you are okay. That's good.
We're almost at the airport.
I can see the airport building.
Yes, we are here.
Oh no, I am getting emotional.
It's okay. You are going to London for a good reason.
Yes, I am ready now.
We arrived.
Thank you for driving me here.
No problem. Go inside and check in.
Okay, I will go now.
Good luck, Jack.
Thank you, Emma. I will call you when I arrive in London. Excuse me,
Yes, sir.
can I have some water, please?
Yes, of course. Would you like cold water or warm water?
Cold water, please.
Here is your water.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Would you like anything else?
Do you have juice?
Yes, we have apple juice, orange juice, and mango juice.
Can I have orange juice, please?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
The plane is moving now.
Yes, we are taking off. Please stay in your seat and wear your seatbelt.
Okay. It is my first time flying to London.
That's nice. Don't worry, everything is fine.
I feel a little nervous.
It is normal. You will be okay.
How long is the flight?
About 6 hours.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. If you need anything, press the button.
I will. Thank you for your help.
Enjoy your flight, sir.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Excuse me, is this London Airport?
Yes, welcome to London.
Thank you. I just arrived.
Me too. I just arrived today.
I am looking for a taxi.
I am also looking for a taxi.
Let's find one together.
Okay, good idea.
Look, there is a taxi stand.
Yes, I see it. Let's go.
Hello. Where do you want to go?
I need a hotel in the city center, please.
Me too. I need a hotel as well.
Okay, please get in the taxi.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Is it far from here?
No, it is about 30 minutes.
London is very big.
Yes, it is my first time here.
Don't worry, I will take you safely.
Okay, thank you.
I feel happy. I am in London now.
Me too. I am excited.
We are going to the city now.
Great. Thank you for your help. Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, it is free.
Thank you. May I sit here?
Of course.
My name is Jack.
Nice to meet you, Jack. My name is Anna.
Nice to meet you too, Anna.
Is this your first time in London?
Yes, it is.
How do you like it?
I like it very much.
That is great.
Do you live in London?
Yes, I do.
London is a very big city.
Yes, it is.
I am looking for a hotel.
There are many hotels here.
Can you recommend one?
Yes, I know a good hotel nearby.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Are the people friendly here?
Yes, most people are very friendly.
That's nice to hear.
What are your plans in London?
I want to visit famous places.
That sounds fun.
Which place should I visit first?
You should visit the city center.
Good idea.
I think you will enjoy London.
I hope so.
Welcome to London, Jack.
Thank you, Anna. Anna, can you help me find a hotel?
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
There is a nice hotel near here.
Is it expensive?
No, it is not very expensive.
That sounds good.
Shall we go there?
Yes, please.
Okay, let's walk.
London is very busy.
Yes, many people live here.
I can see that.
Do you have much luggage?
No, just one suitcase.
That's good.
How far is the hotel?
About 10 minutes from here.
Great.
Look, the hotel is over there.
Oh, I see it.
Do you like it?
Yes, it looks nice.
Let's go inside.
Okay.
Welcome to London, Jack.
Thank you for your help, Anna.
You're welcome.
You are very kind.
I'm happy to help.
Anna, I am hungry.
Me too.
Is there a cafe nearby?
Yes, there is a nice cafe on the street.
Great. Let's go there.
Okay.
London has many cafes.
Yes, it does.
Do you come here often?
Sometimes.
What do you usually order?
I usually drink coffee.
I like coffee too.
Look, the cafe is right there.
It looks nice.
Shall we go inside?
Yes, please.
There are many people here.
Yes, it is busy.
That means the food is probably good.
I hope so.
What would you like to eat?
Maybe a sandwich.
That sounds good.
And a cup of coffee.
Nice choice.
I am enjoying London.
I'm glad to hear that.
Thank you for showing me around.
You're welcome, Jack.
Anna, what would you like to drink?
I would like a coffee.
Good choice.
What about you?
I would like tea.
Do you drink tea every day?
Yes, I do.
I drink coffee every morning.
That is nice.
London has very good coffee.
I want to try it.
You should.
Look, our drinks are here.
Great.
The tea is very good.
My coffee is good too.
I am happy we came here.
Me too.
What do you usually do on weekends when...
I like walking in the city.
That sounds fun.
What about you?
I like visiting new places.
Then you will enjoy London.
I think so too.
I'm glad you came here.
Thank you, Anna.
Learn English with Allicia.